After the madness of Stokes, we found ourselves back on quiet gravel roads, the crunch of gravel beneath our tires, music for those who chase freedom. Winding through tall trees, the sunlight breaking through in flashes, the trail felt peaceful again, that perfect reset after miles of chaos. A few turns later, we reached Buttermilk Falls. It's known as one of the tallest waterfalls in New Jersey, about 200 feet from top to bottom. Normally, water pours down the rock face like a silver curtain, especially after a good rain.
I feel the fire beneath my skin, a reckless game. Let's go into the wild. Hell, baby, take my hand where the unknown goes, where the fearless stand. No maps, no rules, just you and me into the wild, where we're meant to be, where we're meant to be.